In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Stripe Atlas. If you've decided that it's time to move on from Stripe Atlas, whether it's because you're winding down your business or simply exploring other options, I'm here to guide you through the cancellation process. Let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to your Stripe Atlas home. This is the central hub for managing your Stripe account and the starting point for making any changes, including cancellations. Once you're logged in, look to the left sidebar. Here, you'll find an option labeled Billing. Go ahead and click on that. The Billing section is where you manage all your financial settings and subscriptions within Stripe. After clicking on Billing, the next step is to look for Subscriptions. This is typically one of the options listed under the Billing menu. Clicking on Subscriptions will bring up a list of all the active subscriptions associated with your account. This includes your Stripe Atlas subscription, which is what we'll be focusing on today. Now, here's where it all comes together. Within the subscriptions page, you should see a list of your current subscriptions, and right there, next to your Stripe Atlas entry, you'll find the Cancel button. It might be tempting to just click and be done with it, but take a moment to ensure you're ready to proceed. Canceling is a straightforward process, but it's also a significant step, especially if you're using services tied to Stripe Atlas. Once you're sure and you've clicked Cancel, the system will guide you through any final steps. This might include confirming your decision or addressing any last-minute concerns you might have. Remember, canceling your Stripe Atlas subscription might affect other services, so be sure to check if there are any final tasks or data you need to save before confirmation. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated the process to cancel your Stripe Atlas account. While this marks the end of your journey with Stripe Atlas, it's just the beginning of new opportunities and paths for your business. If you need to revisit this process or have any other questions about managing your Stripe account, don't hesitate to reach out for more guidance. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials on managing your online business. Until next time, keep innovating and exploring new ways to grow your enterprise.